name is Joe Zinna, Vice President of Sales at Comport Consulting. We're celebrating 40 years as a trusted IT solutions and managed services provider. One of the core areas of our business is predicated around storage today. We have a deep bench of folks, including myself, who've been around the storage block for quite some time. So it's great to be here today and discuss one of the leading and differentiating use cases, being that of storage as a service. Here at Comport, we're focused in the healthcare and financial markets. We certainly see an interesting blend across our customers, whether we're discussing mid market commercial or in the global enterprise segment. Customers are either heavily invested on prem, managing multiple different storage arrays, petabytes of storage, with some level of application bursting into the public cloud. We're still seeing a good amount of the traditional rip and replace efforts where customers need to move to more modern architectures. We see customers that have exited the data center a couple of years ago, but still keep a subset of those applications on prem for cost control and compliance purposes. And we're also seeing folks that made that much greater move to public cloud several years ago. And now those projects are, let's bring it all back on premise. It really comes down to what the customer is trying to achieve. What we do know is storage continues to grow at unprecedented rates. So when we're looking at opportunities for customers today, the available block and or file as a service offering, we feel it provides customers with the best of both worlds. We like to advise customers if you have an upcoming storage need, you want to avoid any sort of technology refresh scenario, or avoid throwing more capacity at an existing storage frame. In some cases, we still see legacy support challenges on aging frames, or simply put, the customer's not exactly sure what to do, the budget's tight, and there's still a compelling reason for that customer to execute in short order. That's where storage as a service can be a lucrative option. This helps customers avoid larger upfront CapEx spends or those unplanned capital expenditures. And in turn, we at Comport can provide flexibility and a go to market approach with either a monthly or annual storage subscription governed by the customer's SLAs. Some things to keep in mind in these types of models. Number one, you do not need to own the infrastructure. The asset is owned by us and operated by you, the customer. This offers a full self-service model. We at Comport love the approach because it takes the risk and liability off the customer's plate and avoids adding to any sort of technical debt, which is very common in today's conversations. As far as getting started, the reality is we just have to understand the specific tiers of service for the customer, and that's defining capacity, performance, and latency requirements. And with all this in mind, customers can enjoy 100% data availability. We're very focused in helping customers achieve faster time to market. And when we can offer the deployment of mission critical applications at scale and take the stress of expense and manageability over whether it's under provisioning, over provisioning, that could be a lot of wasted space and workload, avoid migration needs, we essentially simplify operations across the stack. This service makes us very confident in being able to accelerate real business outcomes for our customers. Storage is highly relevant, and there's a continuation of different storage requirements that can arise throughout any organization. Let's schedule time today to discuss what's possible and where there might be a fit for a more customized as a service storage solution.